Hi, my name is Wandile Zulu, 29-year-old South African. Well, I'm thrilled to share my teaching philosophy with you. As an English, biology, and geography teacher, I believe that learning is a journey of discovery, curiosity, and growth. My approach is centered around creating a supportive and inclusive environment where students feel empowered to explore, question, and learn. I'm passionate about helping students develop critical thinking, creativity, and communication skills that will serve them well beyond the classroom. Through interactive lessons, personalized feedback, and real world applications, I strive to inspire a love of learning and foster a sense of wonder in my students. My goal is to not only teach English, geography, and biology, but also to help students become thoughtful, informed, and engaged citizens of the world. I'm sitting on 5 years experience, which includes international experience of 1 year where I was teaching in Oman, where I was teaching English and ICT.